Is this recording? Hey guys, today I'm going to try and answer a question that I've been wondering about, and I'm sure you have too if you've even looked into the Polaroid Snap Touch, and that is, can this little camera that is also an instant camera, a digital camera, and a video recorder, can it even really truly be used as a vlogging camera on top of all of that? It sounds like a lot to cram into one little camera, especially a camera that's main focus is instant photography, but it's got a selfie camera, and I gotta say, it's pretty cool to actually have that visual there on such a small camera. So I'm going to test it out today. We're gonna go a few places, just drive around a little bit and see how well this does as far as a vlogging camera. If you just wanted to use it as an all-in-one, I'm actually shooting this on the Polaroid Snap Touch. Give you an idea of the video quality. Obviously, it's not going to be what some video cameras can do, but again, this is an instant camera, digital camera. It's got like a ton of functionality all in one device. So, that being said, let's check it out and let's see how this camera does as a vlogging camera. Okay, I didn't even realize that I was still recording because the alarm went off on me when I got in the car. This is not my car. I'm not driving my car today. No, the alarm did go off. And I don't even know why. So I guess I'm still recording. But let's go ahead and get going before I cause another alarm to go off. Bye. Through a Starbucks, and I just ordered my drink and realized that while I was ordering I had the lens cap on, and that's one thing you really need to keep in mind about the Polaroid Snap Touch is that the lens cap has got to be off. And the lens cap is so nice and easy to get on because it's magnetic that I forget it all the time. So just try not to forget your lens cap and leave it on while you're shooting video. That's something that I do frequently. So they were out of what I wanted, but anyways, I love the new cold foam drinks they've got at Starbucks. This is the iced pumpkin spice latte with cold foam, and instead of having them put the nutmeg on the top, I just had them put what they normally do on the maple pecan, which they were out of. Maple pecan's the best. The iced maple pecan latte with cold foam is my favorite. But they seem to be out of it a lot because everybody's catching on to how awesome they are. Guess I didn't ask for decaf. This is why I never sleep. I'm cooking dinner for everyone in my family today, which means I'm picking up food for everyone in my family today. For the record, Sheetz has really good food for a gas station. It is surprisingly good. I get their quesadillas all the time, and cheese. I've got this just setting on the steering wheel right now because it seems to be a perfect tripod, although it may be shaky because of the car. I'm not in my car right now, I'm driving my brother's car. Problem with picking up dinner for everyone is everyone wants dinner from different places, and I'm the only vegetarian in the family, which means I usually have to run multiple places just to get my food and theirs, and so I'm getting tired already. In America, we sit in the drive-thru so many hours out of the week, it's unreal. But luckily I listen to audiobooks while I'm withering away in the drive-thru waiting for my food. So there's a tip right there. You can listen to audiobooks and save yourself some time reading as well as waiting at the same time.